8 o'clock in the morning. The snow is still falling. You can kind of see the cars are buried. That's Debbie's car there. My car, for some reason, I guess maybe because it's on a downhill, not so bad. You kind of can see it's probably a good almost 3-foot drifts in front of the windows. The snow continues to fall. And it's actually very beautiful and peaceful out right now. Nice Sunday morning. Side of the house, and you can see the snow is almost halfway up the fence. So 6-foot fence, 3-foot drifts. Oh, looks like I guess some snow fell off over there. Again though, snow is really coming down heavy again, but it's supposed to stop, around 11, 12 o'clock. It's really beautiful out though. Really, really beautiful. I love this. Right there that's the roof of the cat's house. The stray cat that we were taking care of, who's disappeared on us, but I'm sure he's okay somewhere. Our magnolia tree. Hope it survives. There's a lot of heavy snow, it looks like, on there, but really beautiful. Back of the house. So that's a rocking chair on its side. You can see the snow is probably a good 2.5 feet up on it. And again, the snow continues to fall. Again, though, just really beautiful out. All you can really hear is snow falling through the leaves, or the branches rather. It just sounds very peaceful. It's one of the most peaceful sounds in the world to me. And the wind blowing.